Title: 10 Simple Tips to Improve Your English Speaking Skills. Introduction: Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you want to become confident while speaking English? In this video, I'll share 10 easy and effective tips that are perfect for beginners. These tips will help you improve your English speaking skills fast. So, let's get started. Tip 1: Don't chase perfection. Nobody is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes, even in their own language. Mistakes are part of learning. If you say, I go to the store yesterday, people will still understand you. Later, you'll learn that it should be went. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Learn from them. Tip 2: Practice shadowing. Shadowing is a powerful method. You listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately after. This helps you improve your pronunciation and listening skills. Start with short, simple audios and practice every day. Tip 3: Make stories with new words. Whenever you learn new words, try to create a short story using them. For example, if you learn the words cat, happy, and play, make a story like, There was a happy cat that loved to play with a ball. This helps you remember the words and how to use them. Tip 4: Stay relaxed. When you're relaxed, your brain works better. If you're nervous, it's hard to think clearly. So take deep breaths and speak English in a calm and comfortable environment. Don't stress about being perfect. Tip 5: Join conversation groups. Find a group of friends or learners to speak English with. Talk about interesting topics and help each other. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Practice makes progress. Tip 6: Try role playing. Practice real-life situations like ordering food in a restaurant or booking a hotel room. Do role plays with a friend. One person plays the customer and the other plays the staff. This prepares you for real conversations. Tip 7: Practice paraphrasing. After listening to a story or reading something, try to explain it in your own words. For example, if you hear a story about a dog saving a child, you can say, I heard a story about a brave dog that helped a child. This builds your speaking and understanding skills. Tip 8: Use the expansion technique. Start with a simple sentence and add more details. For example, I have a cat. Now expand it. I have a small black cat that loves playing with a red ball. This helps you speak in full, clear sentences. Tip 9: Be confident. Confidence is key. Don't let mistakes stop you. Keep practicing daily and remind yourself, I'm learning English and getting better every day. Believe in yourself and enjoy the journey. Tip 10: Switch roles while practicing. In conversations, try asking and answering questions. For example, Person A, what is your favorite food? Person B, my favorite food is pizza. Switch roles and repeat. This helps you become comfortable speaking from both sides. Conclusion: Learning English is a journey. These 10 simple tips can make your journey easier and faster. Practice daily. Don't be afraid of mistakes. And stay confident. You've got this.